So here we have a numerical in which we are going to find the empirical formula and molecular formula. An organic compound contains oxygen 53.33%, carbon 40%, hydrogen 6.67%. If the molecular mass of compound is 30, then find its empirical and molecular formulae. So if you want to find the empirical and molecular formula, so you have to follow these simple steps. Like, you have to write element first, then their atomic masses, then their percentage, then you have to calculate the relative number of moles, after that simplest mole ratio, and in last whole number ratio. So in this question, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are given. So element carbon atomic mass of carbon is 12.01. You can write only 12 here. Percentage 40%, as you can see, and relative number of moles. So recall the formula of mole equals to quantity upon molar mass. So quantity is 40 here and molar mass is 12. So 40 upon molar mass, quantity upon molar mass, it will come 3.33. This is the relative number of moles. Next, hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic mass 1.008, or you can write only 1. Percentage 6.67 from the question, and relative number of moles 6.67 means quantity upon molar mass equals to 6.62. Next, oxygen atomic mass 16 and percent 53.33, then mole equals to 53.33 divided by 16 equals to 3.33. So now we have relative number of moles of all the atoms or all the elements. Now we have to calculate simplest mole number ratio. So how will you calculate the simplest mole number ratio? Simply find the least value and divide all the values by least value. So we have 3.33 is least value here. So 3.33 divided by 3.33, you will have 1. 6.62 divided by 3.33, 1.99, which is almost equal to 2. And 3.33 third value divided by 3.33, same, so you will get 1. Now whole number ratio: 1, 1.99, 2, you can write 2, and 1. So what will be the empirical formula? What is the empirical formula? Empirical formula shows the simple whole number ratio of atoms. So carbon is 1, hydrogen is 2, and oxygen is 1. Then CH2O. CH2O is the empirical formula of the given compound or given organic compound. Now we have to calculate the molecular formula also. So to calculate the molecular formula, we need to calculate small n. So small n equals to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. So molecular mass is given here. Molecular mass is given 30, and empirical formula mass you can calculate by this formula: 12 for carbon, 2 into 1 for hydrogen, plus 16 for oxygen. It will come 30. So small n, 30 over 30 equals to 1. So molecular formula equals to, this is the formula, molecular formula equals to 1 into empirical formula. So from this formula you can calculate the molecular formula. Molecular formula will be CH2O, means like empirical formula. Second question is, an organic compound contain 93.71% carbon and 6.29% hydrogen. If its molecular mass is 128 gram mole, then calculate its molecular formula. Again, element carbon and hydrogen, atomic mass 12 and 1, percentage 93.71 and 6.29. Relative number of moles, quantity upon molar mass 7.809 and 6.29 divided by 1, atomic mass equals to 6.29. Which is the least value? This is the least value. So simple whole number ratio is 7.809 divided by 6.29, which is equals to 1.24, and 6.29 divided by 6.29 equals to 1. Now you have to calculate the whole number ratio. So to how can you convert this value into a whole number ratio? By multiplying 4. So when you multiply this number to 4, it will almost equal to 5, and 1 multiplied by 4 equals to 4, because you have to multiply both the values by the same number. So 5 and 4 we have now. So empirical formula, although empirical formula is not asked, but you have to calculate, because if you want to calculate molecular formula, you need to have the empirical formula mass. So empirical formula will be C5 and H4. C5 and H4. Now molecular formula, we know the formula, that molecular formula equals to small n into empirical formula, and you can calculate by this formula: molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. Molecular formula mass is given here 128, and divided by empirical formula mass, you can calculate by this formula: 12 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by 1 equals to 64. So 128 divided by 64 according to this formula, and then it will come 2. So molecular formula will be 2 into empirical formula, which is C5H4. So C5H4, it will come C10H4 when you multiplied it by 2.